Lucy.
Basically, you have this problem when you see both of their available for pairing. So, but you only pairing a right side, but the left side should not like pair properly. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So normally I have the Motorola earbuds at the moment. So it's Motorola, just 1 second. Yeah, Motorola Vervebuds 500. So I don't know what type of model you have. So you can try your models. So might be it's working. So let's see how to solve this problem. Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum and have a good day. Hope you all okay and enjoying good health. I'm your host Said from Ireland. So today I'm going to show you a really quick tutorial how to repair these two Motorola earbuds if they are stop pairing to each other. So you need to take out both of them from the case, and here we go. And first you're gonna turn off both of them like so I'm gonna hold them both buttons like this for a couple of seconds, like 4 seconds. So just 1 second. Yeah, so I press both buttons like a couple of seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4. When they were both shine red, that's mean it's power off. So now you both of them putting back them to case. And then you take out from the case both of them, and after that you're gonna hold it for longer. This is gonna be 20 seconds hold, and so I'm going to show you like how 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So and they're gonna turn off, but you keep holding, and basically when you get that kind of it's blinking, so mean that's they are all pairing together successfully, and when you see, basically you will see the fast blinking of white color on your right side earbuds like this. You see it's very fast. So that's mean they are searching for each other, and now they are paired successfully to each other. If you see the white and red colors on your right side pair device, that means you have successfully repaired them, and you can check it out by going to your Bluetooth, and you can see that the only one that shows up have. So congratulations, now your both earbuds is connecting to each other properly. So now you can check it out by going to Bluetooth, and you can see that the only one that shows up here. So I just click it and you see. So congratulations guys, now your earbuds successfully connected to each other. I hope this video it's really help, a quick video guys, and but I also do this kind of quick tips and tricks to help you guys for solve your daily problems. So thanks for watching this video, and please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icons for more upcoming videos. So guys, at the end of this video, just request you, please stay at home, save your lives, and keep social distancing to each other. And if you want to watch this video in Urdu language, so please, I put the link in the description, you can check there. And thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.
Lucy.